Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your Samsung is unlocked and updated. This avoids unexpected menu differences. Once ready, locate the audio file you want, use My Files or Gallery so it's accessible. Now open Settings and tap Sounds and Vibration to reach notification controls. This is the core path. Follow it precisely because One UI organizes sound options here. Make sure you're on the main sound screen before moving to notification-specific choices. That prevents choosing a ringtone, and you'll tap Notification Sound, or if present, Advanced Sound Settings to see every option. Then choose a built-in tone for speed, or Add from Device to pick your file, navigate to the folder where you saved it. Once selected, preview it so you hear volume, pitch, and length. This avoids surprises in busy places. If you want per app tones, go to App Notifications within the same menu. Once done, apply the change to make it active immediately. You must save or apply the selection, then trigger a test notification to confirm it works. If you don't hear it, make sure Do Not Disturb is off and that the app has notification permission. Those often block sounds. If the custom file fails to apply, convert it to MP3 or move it into the notifications folder in internal storage. One UI reads that location reliably. Finally, reboot the phone if issues persist. That clears temporary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.